How to add CitiBank card to Apple Wallet. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add CitiBank card to Apple Wallet. Now, all Citi branded consumer credit and debit cards issued in US are eligible for Apple Wallet. All you want to do is head over to your online dashboard on citi.com and find the Services tab. Then you want to tap on the Credit Card Services option. Now, under Mobile and Digital Wallets, click on Add Your Card to Apple Pay option. Now, click on Add to Apple Wallet for the card you selected. Then you want to sign into your Apple account and select the devices, whichever it is, for example, iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch. Then you want to read and accept the terms and conditions. Now you will be prompted to authenticate on the devices you choose. Once you do that, you will be ready to use Apple Pay. You can add your eligible card directly from citi.com to Apple Wallet across one or more devices associated with your iCloud account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.